Telegram code SMS problem on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can solve the Telegram code SMS problem on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now the Telegram code SMS problem on iPhone, to fix it is very simple. If you're not receiving SMS from the Telegram app on iPhone, first make sure that your SIM card is working just fine, and make sure that you don't have issue with your flight mode or your cellular network, and make sure that you're receiving and being able to send messages, because if you're not being able to do that, Telegram also won't be able to send you the code. So once you've sorted it out, do not try from the same page over and over, and install the Telegram app, and then reinstall the Telegram app and try to log in. And if it still is not sending you code, then the best thing might simply be to wait, because Telegram might have blocked your account temporarily sometimes in order to do it for your own security reasons. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.